Jacob called his sons and said, "Come together that I may tell you what is to befall in days to come. Assemble and listen, O sons of Jacob."
Listen to Israel, your father.
Reuben, you are my firstborn, my might and the first fruit of my vigor, exceeding in rank and exceeding in honor.
Unstable as water, you shall not excel, for you mounted your father's bed. Then you defiled it.
Simeon and Levi are brothers. Their weapons are instruments of violence. Let not my soul enter their council. Let not my glory join their assembly.
For in their anger they killed a man,
And in their self will they hamstrung an ox.
cursed be their anger.
For it is fierce, and their wrath, for it is cruel. I will divide them in Jacob and scatter them in Israel.
Judah, your brother, shall praise you.
Your hand shall be on the neck of your enemies. Your father's sons shall bow down before you. Judah is a lion's whelp. He crouches and lies down like a lion. Who dares rouse him?
The scepter shall not depart from Judah, nor the ruler's staff from between his feet, until tribute comes to him, and the obedience of the peoples is his.
He binds his donkey to the vine, and his coat to the choice vine. He washes his garments in wine, and his robes in the blood of grapes. His eyes are darker than wine, and his teeth whiter than milk. Zebulun shall dwell by the seashore.
He shall become a haven for ships, and his borders shall reach towards Sidon. Issachar is a strong-boned donkey, lying down between the sheepfolds.
He saw that rest was good, and that the land was pleasant. So he bowed his shoulder to bear, and became a servant to forced labor. Dan shall judge his people as one of the tribes of Israel.
There shall be a serpent by the road, a viper by the path that bites the horse's heel, so that its rider falls backward.
I wait for your salvation.
Wait for your salvation, O Lord. Gad shall be raided by raiders.
For he shall raid at their heels. Asher's food shall be rich, and he shall yield royal delicacies. Naphtali is a doe set free that bears beautiful form.
Joseph is a fruitful branch by a spring.
His branches run over the wall.
Archers fiercely attacked him. They shot at him and hated him.
Yet his bow remained strong, and his arms were made agile by the hands of the mighty one of Jacob.
By the shepherd, the rock of Israel.
By the God of your father who helps you.
By the Almighty who blesses you with blessings of heaven above, blessings of the deep below, blessings of the breast and womb.
The ways of your father are greater than the ways of my ancestors. To the utmost bounds of the eternal hills, may they be on the head of Joseph, on the brow of the prince among his brothers.
ravenous wolf. In the morning he devours the prey, and in the evening he divides the spoil.
These are the 12 of Israel, and this is what their father said to them as he blessed them.
Blessing each according to his blessing. Then he commanded them and said, I am about to be gathered to my people. Bury me with my fathers in the cave that is in the field of Ephron the Hittite, in the cave in the field of Machpelah near Mamre in the land of Canaan, which Abraham bought from Ephron the Hittite as a burial place. There they buried Abraham and Sarah his wife. There they buried Isaac and Rebekah his wife. And there I buried Leah.